Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm showing you guys how I'm installing a transparent lace front wig on my client. Right now you see me clipping all the hair out of the way so I can apply a little bit of lace glue on the edge of the lace just to melt it down some more. I usually use the back of a rat tail comb or just a little baby hair brush to apply my lace glue on my client. Now I'm blow drying everything to make sure the glue dries clear. Because once the glue dries clear or goes from white to clear, I can start pressing the lace into her skin and then following up with the blow dryer. After everything is dried, I'm going to be taking my elastic band and tying the lace down for a few minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to be detangling her hair section by section, starting from the bottom and working my way up. And this time we decided to go for a middle part, and that's why I already sectioned off the middle part. Later I'm gonna start working on the top section of the hair with my wax stick and my hot comb, just to make sure the top is very nice and flat. And I like to work in sections. I just like to apply a little bit of wax stick and then press everything down with the hot comb and just work my way up until I reach the middle. Now you see me going in with a light powder and some black spray just to define the middle part some more. And then I'm going to be sectioning off the strands of hair that I'm going to use as baby hair. I'll section them and then tie them down again for a few minutes before I trim them and curl them with my mini flat iron. Now you see me trimming the baby hairs and curling them upwards. And then I'm going in with my black Got2b gel and the baby hair brush to style the baby hair. Now you see me blow drying the baby hairs just to make sure all of the gel is dried before moving on to the other side. Now you see me detangling the hair some more with some water, conditioner, and some mousse just to define the curls and to moisturize them. I'm just adding my finishing touches, some wax stick, and making sure the top or the frontal is as flat as possible. And then I'm almost done. This is the finished result. I hope you guys like it and see you guys in my next video. Bye.